Looking out my front door. As soon as I get the door open. Okay, now we're going to take a look. This is January 19th, 2019. And we're looking out the window here. Look at that nice big old snowdrift on the roof. That's good. That's good. Now we're walking out here. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is about, well, let's get a ruler and measure. What do you say? I guess it's a wintertime thing to carry a ruler by the door for the snowfall. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. We got a drift right outside the porch here. It is about 12.5 inches. Right by the car, about 10.5 inches. About 10 inches. Looks like I'm going to be using a snow shovel to get this stuff out. Now, just the regular snowfall here. Let's measure this. We got it at, oh, I'm seeing 8 inches. 8 inches. And then down here, the snowplow, I guess, has been through once. And the area to clear down here is about a foot. So, I'm going to call Panera Bread and see if they deliver. That'll be a good thing for breakfast. A lot of carbs, and then I can get going. All right.